Hello guys, this is Yogesh Gupta and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorials, I'll be showing you how to set up as well as install the MAM server on your MacBook Pro or your Mac desktop. So let's get started. So basically MAM is your PHP server, which consists of Apache web server as well as MySQL software, and it's a combined package. So the MAM stands for, basically the starting M stands for Mac, that is the operating system on which the software will be running. A is your Apache web server. M is your MySQL, that is software to create databases or edit them. And P stands for PHP, which is a server-side programming language. So let's get started with the installation process. So in order to download the MAM, I've just opened the site and I'll show you. So go to the following site as www.mam.info/n/index.html, and here you will find that there are two versions. One is a free version that is free to use, and another is basically a pro version with some of more features, and it's a paid version. So for this tutorial purpose, I'll suggest you download the free version. Okay, so I have already downloaded, so I won't be downloading it again. This was just to show you from where you can download the file setup for the MAM software. So once you are downloaded the installer, go to the following and you'll get something like MAM underscore 2.2 dot package. So I'll just click on that. I'll continue with the setup. Once again, continue, agree with the end user license agreement, and it will say installation type. So basically I will just stick to the MAM and not the MAM Pro. So I'll click on install. Now notice that it will ask me for the admin password, so I'll just type my password and it will automatically do the necessary amendments for you and install it for you. So once it's done, I'll just close it and you can check it whether it has been successfully installed or not, and I can see that it has been here on my launchpad. So I'll just click on it. Now basically it will give you a few buttons here, so I'll just click on, first of all, start servers, and as you can see the MySQL server has been started as well as the MAM server. So once you get this screen, that means your installation was successful, and now I'll be showing you how to basically set up files, that is your PHP files, to run on the MAM server, that is on your local host. So first of all I'll go to the preferences. Okay, no, so first of all I'll go to the apps. Here you can find the MAM and go there, go to htdocs. Okay, now in htdocs you can create a new folder depending on what name you want to give. In my case it will be demo. Okay, so I'll just create a temporary PHP file to demonstrate you how to do this, and I'll just create a new PHP file. Once it's done, I'll just initially type the PHP snippet, and in that I'll just put a basic print statement for so once it's done, I'll save it, and I'll save it in the same directory that I created in the htdocs in the MAM. So I'll go once again to applications inside MAM in htdocs, and I'll inside demo I'll just save it. So once it's done, I'll just close this file. Now if you want to basically set up your default directory, that is I'll be setting in this my demo folder as my default directory. So go to the preferences, and in Apache select the folder that you would like to be your default. So I'll just go to the once again application MAMP, and in htdocs I'll select demo and I'll click open. Once it's done, I'll click on OK, and notice that it's configuring the changes. Now once it's done, I'll go to the oops, sorry. So basically I'll just go there and type localhost and as well as the port number, which in this case is 8888, and I'll click, and I can see that my PHP document is interpreted very fine. That means the server is working. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. If you have any comments or queries, please feel free to post it in the comment section below and I'll be glad to help you. And thank you for watching my videos.